So here's how to connect your Samsung TV, Samsung Smart TV to an LG soundbar. So I have the LG soundbar, and what you'll need to do is go to your Samsung TV first. Make sure you go to the settings and sound output, and make sure you click on the Bluetooth speaker list. You're going to want to do a search. And while you do this, you have to make sure that your LG soundbar is plugged in. It has to be turned on. So the TV, the smart TV, even if it's not an LG TV, so this is a Samsung Smart TV and it's searching for the LG soundbar right now. So it's still searching, and while it's searching, so you have your LG soundbar turned on. And there is a remote there. This is the SPM2 soundbar, which does not have a control or any button on the soundbar itself. So you have to make sure you don't lose the remote. So on the remote in the middle, you click on the Bluetooth symbol. It has to be clicked and push it for like at least 3 seconds. So the TV, the Samsung TV can find it. So here's what I'm doing. So I'm showing it now. So I push that symbol, the Bluetooth symbol, for 3 seconds, and then let's go back to the TV screen. Now it found it, and then it says pair and connect. So you go use your remote, TV remote, and connect. So just to make sure you're using your TV, your Samsung TV remote to control this on the TV, and then you're using the remote for LG to control on the LG speaker. So once it has paired, it will say connected. So now it is connected. You have that sound output. Change it to the LG speaker, LG soundbar. Then all you need to do is X out of that, and you're just now listening to the LG soundbar.